My dear professional colleagues of India and all over the world, this is Dr. Surendra Manjrekar wishing you good health and safety. It is my privilege to share a few thoughts with you in the capacity of Chair of Concrete Technology Stream of India Construction Week 2020, which is deliberating on reviving construction industry in post-COVID world from 1st December to 5th of December 2020. Construction industry is one of the biggest manpower employer as well as the indicator of a growth machine in any geography. Current unprecedented pandemic situation has brought the global economy to grinding halt since March 2020. Pandemic is once in a century crisis and unfortunately had to happen in our lifetime, a current living generation. While we bear the brunt of pandemic, we must remember that the history bears testimony to the fact that out of crisis only emerges the opportunity to recreate. In my opinion, this is the time to build more durable model of prosperity that elevates the economy of all the nations. This is the time to adopt more sustainable solutions, sharing knowledge and study from the regional experiences of all the geographies. With this in view, we approach experts from all over the world with a single point agenda: how to revive construction industry when we enter post-pandemic times. And the international response is spontaneous and unprecedented. The global attitude also is: when we are united, we stand and survive against the economic and otherwise devastations. Fellow practitioners in India and abroad, we have the participation of this conference from more than 2 dozen countries from all the time zones. And we will have their invaluable know-hows to enable us to collate the white paper. It is expected that the white paper would be useful for all the countries. We are the best of experts from USA, Canada, UK, Germany, Italy, Ireland, Turkey, Australia, Mexico, Singapore, Venezuela, Netherlands, Ecuador, Malaysia, Brazil, Spain, Qatar, Panama, Guatemala, Colombia, Costa Rica, and India. More to follow. The support has also been offered by personnels attached to various associations and organizations, for example, World Bank, Indo-Canadian joint ventures, peer-reviewed journals like Alcon Patri Vesta, European Ready-Mix Concrete Organization, Concrete Sustainability Council Switzerland, and many others. We have lined up a galaxy of about 50 plus international and national experts in the short time of last few weeks. We are in a hurry to be ready for post-pandemic. My friends and colleagues, your participation is of utmost importance as we are wanting to come out with the best options, plans in every stream of construction industry with intense deliberations on how to ride over this cruel pandemic. Come one, come all, and join this important movement with your colleagues. Be part of this brainstorming and result producing exercise with many opportunities for international networking, technology transfers, and sharing economic solutions for work on post-pandemic recovery path. Thank you, friends. Take care and be safe.